Optimized positioning is product software for a specific operational decision, recommends optimal market positioning strategies based on competitive landscape analysis. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that product teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Optimized positioning narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Optimized positioning starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include market growth rate, total addressable market, competitive density, customer switching cost, and brand power. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate market attractiveness score based on growth rate and total addressable market size, using logarithmic scaling for market size to prevent large markets from dominating. Calculate competitive intensity index based on number of competitors and customer switching costs, where higher switching costs reduce competitive pressure. Calculate strategic fit assessment by combining brand power, feature advantage, and price premium capability with weighted importance to reflect alignment with company capabilities. Calculate positioning opportunity score by multiplying strategic fit with the ratio of market attractiveness to competitive intensity, indicating the strength of the positioning opportunity, and determine recommended positioning strategy based on opportunity score, technical debt, and feature advantage, selecting from predefined strategies such as differentiated premium, value leadership, niche focus, or fast follower. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how product teams actually make decisions. Optimized positioning returns structured outputs such as positioning opportunity score, recommended strategy, implementation risk, and market attractiveness versus competitive intensity. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of optimized positioning is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated product work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.